Hello children, this is class 9th chemistry and today we will discuss interconversion of states of matter.
We have seen that three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Is it possible that these three states of matter can interchange into one another? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. That's why today's our topic is interconversion of.
States of matter means these three states of matter can interchange into one another.
I have written here the three form of the states of matter. First is solid. When solid change into liquid, it is known as melting. The process by which solid change into liquid is known as melting.
So before starting this, we should be known about the meaning of melting or melting point.
Melting, ice is melt means ice, which is the solid state of form. By the process of melting, it changes into liquid. So, firstly, understand what is melting point. Melting point is the point when solid starts to melt into liquid at its atmospheric pressure is known as its melting point. Okay? When liquid change into gas, this process is known as vaporization. This is the process in which liquid change into gas. When gas change into liquid, opposite, it is known as condensation. And when liquid change into solid, this process is known as freezing. So very important terms are here: melting, vaporization, condensation, freezing. Melting, the process in which solid convert into liquid. Vaporization, the process in which liquid change into gas. Condensation, the process in which gas change into liquid. Freezing, when liquid change into solid. There is one more possibility in which solid state, this solid state directly change into gas state. Solid leaving the mediate state and directly change into the gas state. So the process in which solid directly change into gas, this process is known as sublimation. Same way, when gas directly change into solid state, this process is known as sublimation. So, we can write what is sublimation? Sublimation is the process in which solid directly change into the gas state, and same way the process in which gas directly change into the solid state without going through liquid state. So these are some terms, and you can see the meaning of these terms within this chart also. So this is the interconversion of states of matter. In this two terms, melting point, which is related to melting, or another one is boiling point, which is related to vaporization. The two important terms, melting point, boiling point. Previously I told you the melting point, the point when solid start to melt at its atmospheric pressure is known as its melting point. Boiling point, when liquid start to change into gas at its atmospheric pressure is known as its boiling point. So melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. And boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius.
Name A, B, C, D, E and F in the following diagram showing change in its state. Define melting point and boiling point.